So I've just finished my row in the shed watching the Scotland-Ireland game. I'm definitely getting a bit faster because I can now fit two 10k intervals into a game of rugby and still catch the last 15 to 20 minutes. So that's going well. Second interval I did not enjoy at all. So, but anyway, it's done. And I might even treat myself to a DIY haircut this afternoon. I noticed while watching the rugby that there is a Scotland fan in the garden. That isn't my wife. And I don't know if he's about now. I'm assuming he's a Scotland fan because he's got a blue outfit on. Put it down mid thing. Oh, I can't zoom in. But anyway, I've got a blue tit that's been sitting at the window. I think he likes his own reflection. I'll upload some footage of him because he's certainly enjoying the Scotland game more than I am because it's absolutely dire rugby.